I don't know how to get better. I've tried. God, I've tried. I've read the advice, followed the steps, told myself it's just a phase, that it'll pass. But it's not passing. It's like the shadow that keeps growing, stretching across everything, until I can't remember what the light even felt like. Some days, I wake up and the weight in my chest is already there, waiting for me. And I carry it. I carry it through conversations where I pretend to be okay, through rooms full of people who don't see how hard I'm holding myself together. I smile, I laugh, I say I'm fine, because I don't know what else to say. What am I supposed to say? That I feel like I'm disappearing inside my own skin. I want to feel hope again. I want to believe that things can change. But right now, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to help myself. And that terrifies me more than anything.